In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Stripe subscription pricing tiers. Start by making sure you are logged in to the correct Stripe account in your Stripe dashboard. This is important if you manage more than one account, because you want to create your subscription pricing in the right place from the beginning. Once you are in the dashboard, go to the left-hand sidebar and click Product Catalog. This is where you can view your existing products and create new ones. Next, select the subscription product that you want to update with pricing tiers. If you have not created the product yet, click Create Product or Add Product depending on what your dashboard shows. Then enter the product details and save the product. After the product is ready, open it and find the pricing section. In this area, click Add Another Price or Add Price to create a new pricing option for the subscription. When the pricing form opens, choose Recurring as the pricing type. This tells Stripe that the price will be used for a subscription instead of a one-time payment. Now enter the amount you want to charge for your first subscription tier. After that, choose the billing period. For example, you can set the interval to monthly or yearly, depending on how you want to bill customers. Stripe may also show additional settings for the recurring price. Review those options and configure them as needed for your subscription setup. Once everything looks correct, click Add Price or Save Price to create the first subscription price. To add another subscription tier, go back to the same product pricing section and click Add Another Price again. Then create the next recurring price by entering the amount for that tier and selecting the correct billing period. Continue repeating this process for each subscription option you want to offer. For example, you might create separate recurring prices for Basic, Pro, and Premium plans. Each tier should be added as its own recurring price under the same product, as long as they belong together in your pricing structure. When you are finished, review the product's pricing section carefully. Make sure each recurring price has the correct amount, currency, and billing interval. This final check helps prevent mistakes before customers start using the subscription options. Later, when you create a subscription, payment link, or checkout flow, you will simply choose the recurring price that matches the subscription tier you want the customer to purchase. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.